Kia ora and welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to log your Continuing Professional Development, or CPD, in your logbook through the LIANZA member portal. Keeping your CPD record up to date is a great way to capture your learning, reflect on your professional growth, maintain your professional registration, and demonstrate your progress towards CertLIANZA. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to record your learning activities quickly and easily. Let's get started. Choose the My CPD tab and you'll open the Continuing Professional Development pathway. If you're new here, I suggest take a few minutes to read through and explore the links. If you're looking to log your CPD, scroll down and you'll see the Learning Reflection button, CPD Learning Reflection. This opens the new improved look CPD Learning Reflection form. If you've been here before, you'll note that the first page now is a guide, how to write your learning reflection, questions you might ask yourself, and how to guide your reflective writing and prompts that you might like to consider. An extra thing we've included are 2 short videos that describe beautifully the difference between descriptive writing and reflective writing. To get started on your learning reflection document, the second page has everything you need. You need to load your activity title, activity description, date, and your learning reflection, which is a maximum of 250 words. Save this to your computer, complete it, and then you will draw on this when you log your CPD. We'll go back to the main page we were on earlier, and I'll show you how you log that CPD. So this is a view of my digital logbook. You can see I have events recorded, the way I gained those, the sorts of events I did, the status of those learning activities, whether they've been approved or not, how many points they were worth, and the points category that I filed them under. Now that refers specifically to the Te Tōtara capability framework and the headings within the beautiful Te Tōtara tree. Let's have a look at adding our first activity. Select Add Activity and let's choose the date that we did it. The points category refers, as I mentioned, to the Te Tōtara framework. So I'm going to select a webinar that I did on librarianship and AI ethics, and I'm going to select that Te Tōtara heading. The webinar went for an hour and a half, so I'm going to give that a points value of 1. 1 hour roughly equals 1 point. The source is where I got the information from, and I'm going to select Other to show you the drop-down box under Subsource. This is a fantastic way of looking at the various places that you can get your CPD from, and I'm going to scroll down to Webinar. Now I'm going to upload my learning reflection that I wrote earlier. I'm going to add it to my logbook. Once I close the activity page, you'll see there's a second pending item in my logbook that will go to the professional development person in LIANZA who will review your learning activity. That's all there is to it. There are webinars on YouTube as well. If you have any queries or issues, please feel free to contact Paula at the LIANZA office, PD, P for professional, D for development, at lianza.org.nz. Ka kite.